If you want to collect responses online without any coding, Tally Forms makes it super simple. In this guide, I'll show you how to create a form in Tally step by step. First, go to Tally and sign in with your email or Google account. Once you're inside, you'll land on your dashboard where all your forms are stored. Next, click on New Form. You can start from scratch or choose a template depending on what you need. Now start building your form by typing your first question. For example, name, email, or anything you want to collect from users. Tally lets you choose different question types like short text, multiple choice, email fields, and more. Pick the one that fits your form. You can also customize your form with headings, descriptions, and layout options to make it easier for users to understand. If you want smarter forms, you can add logic. Yeah, this lets you show or hide questions based on user answers. Before publishing, preview your form to make sure everything looks correct and works smoothly. Once you're happy, click Publish. You can share your form using a link, embed it on a website, or send it directly to users. After people start filling out your form, you can view all responses in real time from your dashboard. And that's how to create a form in Tally. So once your form is live, collecting data becomes fast, simple, and organized. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.